So here we are with a T51 drone. These are all the pieces that came with it. You have the user manual, the remote controller. This is the altitude hold version. You get the battery, screwdriver, charging USB, screws for the propeller protectors, propeller guards, and 4 extra propellers. And this is to put on the remote to hold your cell phone. You heard that? Just put your phone. To unfold this back, just go ahead and press here again. Slide that way and it'll go down, or back up, it'll snap in. Power button over here. Camera, you can see the camera here. So over here you can move the camera up or down, whatever way you want it to be. Remove, and you get another battery, so you get 2 batteries. I already charged it. Let me go ahead and put the battery here. Go ahead and on the down part first, then down, and it'll lock in. So it is blinking because it is on. Let me turn it off. Alright, so get your manual, get a barcode reader, and to download the app, Android one, because this is an Android phone, open link. It says Android in the bottom. Okay. Open. Go to settings to enable unknown resources. This time only. Install. App installed. Open. Go ahead to your Wi-Fi. Find the GoolRC and connect to it. Go back to your app. It says connect. And right now it's connected. You got different settings here. You could also control the quadcopter with your phone Wi-Fi only. I'll put off. 30% speed, 60 or 100%. You got folder for files to record video and photos. Alright, so this one takes 4 AA batteries. Let's install them and let's give it a go. Let's go ahead and connect to GoolRC. Let's go ahead now. Connect to the app. There we have it. So I have connected. That's what it says over there. It's over there. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Bind it. It's all the way bind. The lights are on. Let's do auto takeoff with this button. Going up pretty steady. Gonna go ahead and trim it because it's coming this way, so I'm gonna trim it with these buttons here. It's a little windy, not much. I'm binding to the right. Let me bring it this way. This is on 30%. That's the second, that's the 2 beeps, that's the second speed. I'm gonna do the button, speed button again. You hear 3 times. That's the fastest. So go ahead and trim it. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and try to record video here. It's recording video on the cell phone.
Can you please press the helpful button under this review? That way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.
ahead and try headless mode, which is this one here in the bottom. Headless mode means that no matter where the quadcopter is pointing, left it will be left and right will be right, no matter what. That's a good option too. If you don't know where the quadcopter is pointing, you could use headless mode. That way left will always be left, no matter where it is pointing to. You see that? So you could also press this button here, so it'll turn. Long press, and it'll keep on doing that. Or just press it once and it'll do that.